In this video, you will learn different ways to alter fabrics for experimenting and designing. From one fabric sample, you can create a number of different samples. Samples can be saved with separate names and categories. Use this feature to modify the way fabrics are tiled in the software as well. Begin by clicking on Fabrics in the library. Select the folder and drill down to the line of fabrics you wish to work with. Double-click to open the Tiled Fabric dialog box. In this dialog box, you can look at the fabric one-to-one. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can rotate, you can select, and you can move. Let's say we wanted to isolate this flower. Click on the Select icon and drag a bounding box around the flower. To save that, click on Save As, right-click and select New Library. Name your folder. Again, you cannot put any spaces in the name. The $ designates the folder as a user-created folder. Click OK, and then select the folder and name the fabric, and click Save. That closes the dialog box. You might want to use this in the case of fussy cutting for an applique, for example. Another thing that you might want to do is rotate a fabric. Once again, double-click on the fabric swatch to open the tile fabric. Perhaps you want to change the direction of a fabric. You can do this by using one of the rotate icons. Let's click on Rotate Right. When you do this, a lot of times you will get a white bar through the fabric. To remedy this, select the Select icon and just drag a bounding box around the area of the fabric you wish to capture. When you release your mouse, you'll find that the white bar is gone. You can also move this in different areas as well. And you can always reselect and drag a box around a new area, and the tile fabric will update. When you're pleased with your fabric swatch, click on Save As, navigate to your altered fabric folder, and name this fabric Rotated Fabric, and click on Save. Yet another thing that you can do is create an entirely new fabric. Double-click on the fabric, select the Select arrow, and click and drag around the area that you wish to capture. When you release your mouse, you'll get a new tiled fabric preview. If you want to save it, you can click on Save As, navigate to the location to save your fabric, and name the fabric, and click on Save. Let's select one more fabric. Usually when you want to select a specific area, you'll want to zoom in on the fabric, and you can just keep clicking on the zoom icon, select your select tool, and then drag a box around the area you would like to capture. If you want to save this, click on Save As, navigate to the folder, name it the way you wish to name it, and click on Save. You can also change the pixel dimensions by inputting a new number in the tile height and the tile width and pressing Enter. You can see there are many ways to edit your fabrics for creating fabrics in the Quilter program.